density, pressure. That sounded really lame. Okay. Okay, so firstly there's quite a lot going on immediately. Don't freak out. So this video is about speed, density and pressure, and we've got here 3 formula triangles for you to learn and some helpful little, what are they called? Rhymes, sayings. Try and remember them. Okay, so the first one is for speed, hence it's under speed, this triangle here, and that S stands for speed, that is distance, and that is time. And the little rhymey thing we've got to remember this is dirty sexy turtles, so dirty sexy turtles. And then we'll go on to remembering the others and then tell you why they're in a weird triangle. Density, the D stands for density, V stands for volume, M stands for mass. Or my dirty video, mass, density, volume. That was clueless. So the final one here we have is pressure, so that's what the P is for, and the F is force and the A is area. So feeding. Yeah. Penguins, apples. Yummy, yummy. Feeding penguins apples. So these are our ways to remember them. I really don't want to rub them out, to be honest. It took me a while. So now we're going to go through why they're in a triangle and how to use these triangles. So if we just look at speed, distance and time, so what you do is you'll know 2 things in a question and you'll be asked to work out something. And whatever you are asked to work out, you cover up. So for example, if I was asked to work out the speed, I would cover S, which stands for speed, and I would see here that that is D divided by T, which is distance divided by time. Let's say I wanted to work out the distance, so you'd cover up D, and then you'd have S, and the line at the bottom means multiply, so you'd have S times T, which is speed times time. So that's how you work that. I guess we could do another example for the end one. If you want the pressure, you cover up P. So you've got F over A, force over area. Okay. So the first question, which Amy's written out and changed the name, it was Stuart, but she's changed it to Hannah, very imaginative of her. Hannah drives 180 kilometres in 2 hours, 15 minutes. What's Hannah's average speed? So we're using the speed triangle. Dirty sexy turtle. That's the one. And we want to find the average speed, so we're covering up speed. We're doing speed equals D over T, distance over time. We're given these in the question, so speed equals the distance, 180 kilometres, over time, we've got 2 hours, 15 minutes, so 2... She's made the mistake you don't want to make in an exam. 15 minutes is not 0.15 because there are not 100 minutes in an hour, there are 60. So 15 minutes is, we often call that quarter past, whatever's like quarter past, so it's a quarter. Yeah, my mistake. Hours. And so that equals 80 kilometres per hour. Okay, so the second exam question is Liverpool from Prague is 1,200 kilometres. A flight between the two lasts 4 hours. What's the average speed of the aeroplane? Okay, so speed is my question. So I go to my Dirty Sexy Turtles triangle and I cover up speed, just like the one before. And that tells me it's D over T, which is distance divided by time. Do I know these things? I'm given that the distance is 1,200 kilometres and it's also nicely given it to me in hours, 4 hours, so the time is 4 hours. Okay, so if we just, do your thing, divide.
Do your thing.
That is 300 kilometers, and then it's kilometers divided by hours. So that's the average speed. Okay, so this example, we want to work out the density. So we're looking at the density, my dirty video, and we want the density, so we cover up the D, and we've got M over V. So sub in our numbers. The mass is 44,800 kilograms. The volume is 5 meters cubed. That equals, we work out 8,960 kilograms per meters cubed. And the way you get those units is from, you keep the kg from the top and then divided by meters cubed. So it's just, that's the perk of writing out a unit, it really helps. So the final one here is pressure, pressure. So the final one here is, I have no idea what that P is, oh the P is pressure, what the hell is F? I have no idea. Force over area, force over area. Right,